Hi guys, it's very popular these days to fly with Cinewhoops, so I have to build one myself too. So today we will check the frame from iFlight. The name is MegaBee, this is version 2.1. It's 3-inch with the propeller guards, so let's check the frame. So it comes in this sturdy box, let's look inside. So let's unpack everything. So here you can see it all. We've got propeller guards, upper plate, bottom plate, 2 battery straps, GoPro mount, something more for GoPro, screws, standoffs, the stickers, and some like the protectors for the arms and screws for the motors. Let's speak about the 3D printing. This GoPro mount is 25 degrees angle, and there is a 15 degrees angle in the market as well. So 15 is for like the cruising, the cine shots, and this one is for like faster flying. About the protectors, as you can see, if I squeeze them in my hand, they just bend. So this material is pretty good for those guards because it's not easy to break those, but still it protects the propellers. So the frame is assembled, it took me like 10 minutes, and let me tell you that this is not a cheap frame. Actually it costed me like $80, which is a lot for just a frame, but the quality worth the money because the quality is excellent. And there is also a lot of spare screws and nuts, and those 3D prints are super quality, so it worth the money. There's a protection from the bottom side, so you won't scratch the bottom frame. Also there are protectors for the antenna from the receiver, these rubber like straws, that's good. And also you got this little piece of 3D print to protect your GoPro, and the GoPro goes right into the 3D print. So the frame itself got 125 grams, which is a lot for 3-inch, but it's the normal weight of those Cinewhoops. And so this is how it looks with the GoPro. So that was my first look at this awesome frame from iFlight. I'm looking forward to build this whole Cinewhoop build. You will see that probably in the future on my channel. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.